Bentley infotainment systems, especially in older models, are prone to several common issues, including black screens, no sound, and constant reboots. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to get your system working again. These problems are particularly common in Generation 1 and 2 Continental GT, GTC, and Flying Spur models. The issues often stem from software glitches, hardware problems, or power-related concerns. Now let's go through the systematic troubleshooting process. Start with these basic checks before moving to more advanced solutions. Step 1. Check your car battery. Low battery voltage is a common cause of infotainment system problems. Ensure your battery is fully charged and in good condition before proceeding with other troubleshooting steps. Step 2. Try rebooting the infotainment system. The exact method varies depending on your Bentley model, but typically involves holding down specific buttons for several seconds to force a restart. Step 3. Inspect the fuses related to your infotainment system. A blown fuse can cause complete system failure. Check your owner's manual to locate the correct fuses and replace any that appear damaged. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, software updates may be the solution. Bentley regularly releases updates to fix known glitches and improve system performance. Software updates are available from Bentley dealers or qualified service centers. Some updates, particularly map updates, can be delivered over the air. These updates address known glitches and improve overall system performance. One of the most common problems is the system getting stuck on the Bentley logo during startup. This issue affects many Generation 1 and 2 models and typically requires professional repair or component replacement. For 2025 model year Bentleys, the infotainment systems now support third-party app integration, providing enhanced connectivity and functionality. This represents a significant improvement in system capabilities and user experience. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Bentley infotainment issues, more complex problems may be at play. Understanding these advanced solutions can save you thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Bentley infotainment systems are deeply integrated with your vehicle's climate control and other critical systems. This complexity means that simple component swaps often won't work, and repairs require specialized knowledge of these interconnected systems. Many Bentley models use a MOST bus system, a fiber optic network that connects audio and screen components at 150 megabits per second. When this network fails, it can cause widespread audio and display issues that appear unrelated but stem from the same root cause. When dealers recommend expensive unit replacements, costing $3,000 to $8,000 or more, independent specialists can often repair your existing unit for around $500 plus shipping, a fraction of the dealer cost. Tesla-style aftermarket screens offer a modern upgrade path when repair costs become prohibitive. These systems provide Android interfaces, full smartphone integration, and faster performance while maintaining your Bentley's original aesthetic appeal. Remember that troubleshooting steps and solutions vary significantly by model year. Premium audio systems like NAME require special integration considerations. Software updates with remote system flash and lifetime map activation typically cost between $719 and $775. Always consider the integration complexity before choosing your repair path. The key to successful Bentley infotainment repair is choosing the right path based on your specific situation, budget, and desired features. Whether through independent repair, dealer replacement, or aftermarket upgrade, understanding these options ensures you make the most cost-effective decision.